Hey everyone, have another unboxing for you. This one I'm especially excited for because this is my first Nitro RC car. In my later videos you might have heard me say that I'm getting into it, and it's finally here. I picked up the Spirit, and first off I want to say this is how our RCs should be coming into us. They should be packed in an outer carton brown box just like this, and I am happy and extremely excited because this inner box looks perfect. And right off the bat I want to say I got this from sterlingkits.com, not sponsored by anyone. I purchased all my RCs, and this, when it comes in like this, it makes me feel good. And they are 3 for 3 now, and I have a few more on the way, more Nitros from them, and I'm actually debating on picking up this blade right here that you see, because it's like a truggy, pretty awesome. But anyways, I'm going to post a link to that site in my description with a promo code that they gave me to use. But always check their site, and I've been using their Black Friday code SKBF for 13% off. That's still been working for all the RCs I've just purchased recently, but this came in much faster than any Banggood item, much better condition than any Banggood item, and I am just sick of them. I'm done with them, and I have 3 or 4 orders that they keep pushing ship dates back on that I'm going to cancel. But I wanted to say that, always shop around for deals. Sterling Kits is especially good for Nitro RC selections. They have HSP and VRX, but the VRX are great priced, and if you use the discount code, it's pretty solid. And again, look at the packaging and the ship date. This probably took 2 or 3 weeks compared to the 1 or 2 months that it takes from Banggood or many of the other sellers I've dealt with. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we'll check it out. And I also wanted to say I'm gonna do a video on how to get started in Nitro, all the research I've done, the opinions, and all the items and equipment you'll need to get one of these started and going. But yeah, give me a second. Let me pull this out, cut the tape, and get it ready to unbox. Okay, got this thing unboxed. Trying out the camera on my hat, so sorry if the shot's bad, but I'm gonna open this up for the first time. So this comes with the Force 0.18 engine. They have this style, they have it in the truggy, they have a rally car version, which I did order and have on the way, and they even have a touring car version. And then they go up to the 1/8 scale. They make a 0.21 Force engine truggy, and then they have a bigger 1/8 version of this guy with the 0.28 Force, which I have on the way. But this is the first one, and I'm really excited. And check this out. Oh, that looks awesome. Super good condition. Everything is really nice, and this is pretty rare for something that comes overseas. Here's the spoiler. It goes on right here, held on by 2 clips. Okay. These, just like the brushless or the electric versions, come with a FlySky GT2 receiver. Uses 8 AA batteries. I will switch this out for my FS-GT3C, which can handle up to 10 receivers with memory. But very good budget one. The very cool thing about these, and especially great for Nitro, is that the receivers come with a built-in failsafe to prevent any runoffs. So we'll get into that later. Okay. So opening this up, this thing is zip tied in, very nicely packed. I will cut that open and get back to you. Just got this thing pulled out and it looks awesome. Suspension feels great, oil filled shocks, screw adjustable. Something to keep in mind about VRX is that they rebrand. I think it's FTX in the UK, and they also have a Reely, R-E-E-L-Y, where they make the short course truck version. But essentially it's the same chassis, same force engine. I hear great things about them, but I'm a newbie, so I have zero experience, just getting into it, but very excited. This was a great deal. You saw in the unboxing, awesomely packed. But let's open this up, take a look inside. So this is ready to run. Mine is the 8 AA's for the receiver and 4 AA's for the receiver pack. And here's a better look at everything. Steering servo, throttle brake servo, receiver block, fuel tank, force engine. Very cool. And it's kind of funny because because I've never had a Nitro, I never knew how big these would be. But it's tiny and it's awesome. And in my getting into Nitro video, I'll get into that, and I'll give a breakdown of what you need to know, or what I had to figure out before I went ahead and went for it and ordered everything. But this thing feels great. Metal chassis, flywheel gear. I did find and was able to find the 2-speed upgrade for the VRX, which I have on the way. That I will be putting in the rally car, and I'll leave this a 1-speed until I decide if I want to upgrade it or not. But parts are available. I will say it's not as readily available as the HSP Nitro RCs, as those have been around for a long time under Exceed RC. But this is pretty awesome. I'll probably shoot a video of my setup and break-in. Nitro motors require a break-in motor if you want to get the right lubrication going, and definitely increase the lifespan of these motors, and which I'm hoping to do. But I'm very mechanical. I enjoy tuning, and I'm really excited for this. But this is the VRX Nitro buggy, and ordered from sterlingkit.com. Amazing. I'm very impressed. Again, here's the shot of the brown box that it came in, and the box is in perfect condition. And something cool I wanted to show you is all the variations that they sell this chassis in. So I was only able to find the truggy, at least where I am. I found the truggy and the buggy, but they do make this Baja Bug, a Jeep, and even like a rat rod monster truck. But I do have a few variations coming, and a couple more Nitro RCs, both VRX and HSP, that I'll also do some unboxings on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and excited.